And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a secret script trick with a free online teleprompter for Zoom. If you've ever wanted to sound more confident, more polished, and maintain natural eye contact during a Zoom call without constantly looking down at notes, this method is going to help you a lot. The best part is you don't need to install any software. Everything works directly in your browser. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for a free online teleprompter. One example you can use is qprompter.com, but there are many similar tools available. The key thing you're looking for is a site that allows you to paste your script and display it in a clean, readable format. Once you're on the teleprompter website, paste your script into the text box. This could be anything: a meeting agenda, a presentation script, a speech, or even bullet points you want to follow. Take a moment to review your text. Make sure the spacing looks clean and the sentences are easy to read, because this is exactly what you'll be looking at while speaking. Now, click on the Start Prompter button. This will usually open your script in a new tab or a new window in a scrolling or presentation mode. This view is designed to be simple and distraction-free, which helps you stay focused while presenting. Next, take that teleprompter window and drag it out so it becomes a separate floating window. Resize it so it's comfortable to read, not too small, but also not so large that it blocks your screen. Think of it like a digital cue card that you can place anywhere. Now here's the important part when using this with Zoom. Before you start presenting, make sure you only share the specific window you want your audience to see, like your PowerPoint slides or a document. Do not share your entire screen. This ensures your teleprompter stays completely private and only visible to you. This small step keeps your presentation clean and prevents your script from accidentally showing to others. For the best results, position your teleprompter window as close to your webcam as possible. If you're using a laptop, place it near the top center of your screen, just below or around the camera. This way, when you read your script, it looks like you're maintaining direct eye contact with your audience. If needed, adjust the width of the window so your eyes don't move too much from side to side. The less eye movement, the more natural and confident you'll appear on camera. You can also control the scrolling speed if your teleprompter supports it, or simply scroll manually at your own pace to match your speaking style. And that's it. You've just set up a simple but powerful teleprompter system for Zoom. Search for a free tool, paste your script, start the prompter, resize the window, share only the correct screen, and position it near your camera. With this setup, you'll sound more confident, stay on track, and deliver your message clearly without breaking eye contact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.